Hello, Jarrett Lau with Boston HOA Management. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about inter-unit issues. What do I mean by inter-unit issues? If you have neighbors to the side of you, above you, or below you, things are going to happen, right? Noises, water, damages, kids, anything that might cause disturbances to your neighbors. And it's very common in a condo association. How do we as a management company help you resolve these type of issues? We ask that unit owners try to resolve things themselves, right? As a property manager, our job is not to be counselors or parents or, we're not the police at the end of the day. With that being said, we will step in if unit owner issues cannot be resolved. We've had situations where we know that there's a leak occurring in a unit above, it's leaking and damaging into a unit below. We'll send an email to the owners, putting them together, hoping that they can coordinate it. We can even provide the vendors to be able to help investigate and solve that issue. But if we have a unit owner that refuses to respond to emails, refuses to deal with the issue or admit that it's theirs, that's when we step in. And we're going to send a violation letter. And that violation letter will more or less request or demand allowing us to be able to go in and be able to fix that issue. If that doesn't occur, we then get the attorneys involved. With all of this, your rules and regulations and condo docs will deem the ability to be able to do this. And almost every single set of condo docs that I've ever seen does state that the condo association and the management and the board of trustees can get involved when there's an issue such as this, that we have to step in when they're causing damage to the common areas or to other units, as well as their responsibility of it. Then if the attorneys get involved, again, they're going to send their own legal letters. They're going to start adding legal fines and violations with it. And I've seen unit owners, I don't know why they do this, have thousands and thousands of dollars in fines. It would have cost them a lot less money to actually just do the repair, allow the access, rather than just having to expend all this energy and time on being able to get attorneys involved to force them to only do the same thing. And as a proactive property manager, it's that constant communication. And we try to explain before we ever get into legal situations, the necessity of being a good neighbor and to be able to work with other people and to show them the pictures and the damages and get those unit owners involved. It's very rare it gets to that point, but that's typically how we deal with inter-unit issues. Try to speak with unit owners, combine them, have them deal with the problems themselves, facilitate the vendors if necessary, and only get involved if and when the unit owner is not willing to cooperate with each other. But at the end of the day, if you are looking for a proactive property manager to help solve inter-unit issues for your condo association, please think of Boston HOA Management, where you get more than a property manager, you get peace of mind.